Welcome to today's vlog, a new series on my channel that's kind of an old series. If you've been around for a little bit, I had this home in Hawaii series back when I lived with my parents. I did about 6 or 7 episodes. You guys loved those videos. It was basically me just sharing my life here as someone who has grown up and lived here her whole life. And so kind of just sharing different things that I like to do, sprinkling in some culture, fun, and kind of just sharing my life here. A lot has changed since I have made those videos. I think it's been like 3 or 4 years since the last time I did it. I no longer live in my parents' house. I am my own homeowner here in Hawaii, which is crazy and such a blessing. And so I wanted to bring this series back because I always loved making these videos and I know you guys loved watching them. And I guess it's kind of similar to the normal vlogs I do of just like showing my life here, but I want to be a little bit more intentional in these specific videos about sharing obviously the more fun things that I do, but also like shouting out local brands that I like and just different things like that. I always really like when a creator has kind of like a signature series. So hopefully this is the beginning of one for me. I hope you enjoy and let's get into this vlog. Good morning. It's so early. My dad and Coda, a little Sunday morning hike. We used to do this all the time when we were kids. We would have peanut butter and jellies right here. This historic spot right here. It's kind of funny because the view is like non-existent at the top, but that's why it's all about the journey, baby. I'm home from the beach. I thought I'd show you my post-surf routine, kind of the products that I use and what I do when I've spent the morning out surfing. Of course, everything's salty, the hair is crunchy, so I'm gonna take a shower. I did a little hair mask, which is usually just a special occasion type thing, but I haven't done it in a while. This one is from Shu Uemura. It's the ultimate reset one. I feel like with the amount that I go into salt water, I just want to take good care of my hair because sometimes it can get really like crunchy. So I definitely try to take care of it as much as I can. And then I'm just going to use this little leave-in treatment, make it nice and moisturized. And then for my body, if I'm really feeling like I need it, I will use a lotion, which I'm not someone who uses lotion very often. I maybe lotion my body like maybe twice a month, but I like this one from Josie Moran. It's really good. Or of course, the Bum Bum Cream is OG. And sometimes my skin is just a little drier than others, so I'll just put some on my legs. I think for me, it's just a texture thing. And anytime I have stuff on my legs, I just feel really slimy. I don't know. Sometimes I almost like having dry skin, especially like in my bed sheets. I don't know. And then I'll put some on my arms and voila. I'm just gonna wash my face to get off the sunscreen that I had on earlier this morning. I do not go a day without wearing sunscreen, whether I'm going to the beach or not. Nothing too elaborate or crazy, but that is my post-surf routine. Yes. We're having a fun little day today. I'm in passenger princess spot, of course. Mike is driving. We're on the east side. Took a little road trip, AKA 45-minute drive, because we're having a little day out, which we normally don't do. We normally don't come to this side. I think even when we used to live more in town, we never used to come this way that often. But I literally have vlogs from like 2016 of me coming to the beach over here with my sister. This used to be like Micah's favorite place to come. So yeah, we're reliving the good old days today, but together. Actually, crazy story. It must have been what, in like 2017? You saw me here with my sister and you like said to your friend, like, look, that's Ava Jules. So we're going back. I don't remember it. And you know what's crazy? Me airing our business. I go, he actually remembers what swimsuit I was wearing. Because I was like, there's no way you actually remember that. And he's like, weren't you wearing like this pineapple swimsuit? And I was like, yes. So anyway, very full circle day today. We're having a little date day, which I'm really excited about. And yeah, we're gonna get some coffee, get some poke bowls, and it's gonna be a really good day. There's a bigger reason we're over here, and that's because one of my favorite shave ice spots that's over here is closing for good, which is so sad. So we were like, let's just make a whole day out of it. So I thought I'd vlog, bring you along. It's gonna be a fun little day. This place is literally so cute. I like this, quite good. I like that. Cool. I couldn't decide, so I got both. So here we have a historic landmark. This is where Mike and I went on our first date. This is where he took me to get an acai bowl.
2.5 years ago.
2.5 years ago, which is literally crazy. And I remember the girl who was like checking us out was a viewer, and I was like, oh my gosh, not me getting caught on a first date right now. That's crazy. That's when I was trying to be like low-key and mysterious. That worked out so well. Do a little what's in my beach bag. This one is from Monday Swim. It's really cute. It's like this rattan material. We've got my towel shorts, which are really nice because it's a towel material. From Sequel, I love them. I have this in like every single color. Snacks, veggie straws, pretzels, Chomps, beef stick, very important beach day snacks. We've got some sunnies, of course. I have these little bags just to hold everything. This one has sunscreen in it. Mineral, of course. If you're gonna swim in the ocean, please only use mineral sunscreens just to protect the reefs. This one I use for my face. It's from Supergoop. And then this one is Sunbum. I use this for my body. Basically, what you want to look for is only having titanium dioxide and zinc oxide. All the other ingredients can harm the reefs, so look out for that. Those are some of my favorite brands, Sunbum and Supergoop. The mineral ones are safe to use in the ocean. And of course, we have a speaker to play some music. That is everything in my beach bag. There he is. Something about days like this change my brain chemistry, and I am like a plant who needs the sun, and I feel so good. I love today. I fumbled the bag. I had a feeling. I was like, you know what? Let me look up what time this place closes, because the whole reason we planned today was because our favorite shave ice place called Uncle Clay's is closing forever, which is so sad. But I used to post pictures there all the time because their shave ice was literally amazing. I've taken so many of my friends there, and yeah, they're like closing. So I was like, oh, let's go for their last day. Their last day was yesterday. I looked it up and it said closed. And that was our whole plan to come here today, but it's okay. Believe it or not, even though I'm very positive on the internet, in real life, sometimes like that would have like ruined my day, but Mike is very positive. So he's like, there are other shave ices. So we're still gonna get our shave ice. I'm really sad that we never got to get Uncle Clay's though. We were looking forward to that, but I truly did fumble that bag. That's really sad. I'm like actually trying not to have a meltdown. We've got 2 vanilla shave ice with mochi, with ice cream on the bottom. Micah got snow cap on the top. We said this last time we came here, because I vlogged. If you ever find yourself in Eva, for some reason, Eva Seed Co. It's Micah's like childhood favorite place.
Best shave ice on the island.
He thinks it's the best. I could argue with that, but it is very, very good. Hello, it's a Wednesday. I just made a little coffee. It's 2 p.m., about to be 2. I've got some cooking plans because it is Hannah's birthday and she requested for me to make pasta. We're doing like a little picnic, which is gonna be really fun, and I'm really excited to celebrate her. So I told her, I was like, I can do the classic Gigi Hadid vodka pasta. I've made that before, it's so good. Or I can try a new recipe. I've been wanting to do like a lemony style pasta. I wanted to do chicken piccata at first, but I didn't really feel like being liable making chicken for people. So I found this recipe, creamy lemon pasta. If it's good, I'll definitely link it down below, but the picture looks good. And I feel like, I mean, it's really hard to mess up pasta. But yeah, it sounds really good. I love anything lemon related, so should be really good. Some creaminess. I'm about to get started on that. We're having like a early-ish dinner, and then probably like watch the sunset and stuff. It'll be really, really fun. I think I'm feeling this shape. I'm making 2 pastas, one gluten-free for people, and then one just regular. I'm a chef for the people, you know? Everyone and everyone's diet will be included unless they are dairy-free, because I'm about to put so much heavy whipping cream in this bitch. But it's gonna be really good. I'm very excited. And here we go. This might be one of the cutest things I've ever done. Honestly, I think the garnishes just make a really big difference with like the little gluten-free pasta flag and just the lemons and stuff. So I'm very excited to eat it. I did do a little taste test, and I would definitely link this down below. I feel like I kind of match the vibe. I am literally sweating, put my whole back into that. But yeah, a very simple meal to make, but I still feel like there's effort in there, you know? I'm cooking the regular pasta now, and then we'll get ready to head out. Here is what I'm wearing tonight. This could be bordering on the line of pajamas, but I think it's still cute. It's this matching little set. I'll link it down below. Got it from Free People, and it's very comfy, cozy, but I feel like it's still cute. Hopefully it doesn't look like I'm showing up to the function in PJs, but it kind of does. It's okay. I feel like you wouldn't wear a tube top to bed, okay? But yeah, I really like this. I'm drinking a little energy drink, which is kind of late in the day to do that, but your girl is a little bit tired, but the show must go on, so I'm gonna chug this. I wanted to show you what I got Hannah for her birthday. Nothing too crazy, just a little something something. I believe I've shared about this brand on my Instagram before, but I don't know about YouTube. It's the brand Jules and Gem, a local company, which obviously I love to support, love to shout out. If there's anyone watching who's from Hawaii and you have any good local businesses that you want me to try out or just give like a little shout out to, let me know, because I'm always looking for some new local businesses to support. But this one specifically, they have really nice fragrances of the island's fruit smells, flower smells, and I just think it's really unique. So this one is a reed diffuser in a Pua Keni Keni scent, which is one of my favorite flowers. And I also got that for her in a sugar scrub, which will be really fun because then, you know, you can do a little self-care, have your house smell like literally the best flower. If you've smelt Pua Keni Keni, then you know it is so delicious. So I'm excited. I'm gonna wrap that up for her, pack up my pasta dishes, and head to North Shore. March. I think this is such a nice time of year. I feel like everyone starts to kind of like defrost from their winter selves. Not that I have like any right to speak on that, but I feel like the vibes are good in March. February personally went by really fast, but I'm very excited for this month. We have some fun things going on. Definitely gonna vlog all the things. I feel like I don't vlog a lot in this room, but this is my little office room. We've got this cute carpet in it. It's caused a lot of controversy in my comments. People either like love it or hate it. I think it's really cute. This is also a pull-out bed, so in case we have guests that stay over, which has actually never happened, but it's nice to have just in case. And yeah, today's a Saturday. Don't really have a lot going on, but might tackle some home projects.